Okay, testing. Let us continue then. Okay, now let us move on to gain a gain from trade. But let's this time do the another type of question. I call it type 2 question, right? The opposite. We used to do 1R equals to some goods, right? Now the opposite, one good equals to some R. Okay, 好嘛? But exactly the same logic. Okay, just the method we do is a little bit different. Okay, 好啦，睇住咯喎。Now. The following table shows the number of man-hour required by country A in the production of toys and watches. Okay, come on. Now, here you are given a table like this, right? Right? 1T equals to something. Now, basically, all we need to do is to do a little bit of conversion. Okay, do a little bit of conversion. How? Here, country A, we see that 1T equals to 4R, while 1W equals to 8R. Now we need to equate T and W. So how do we do? Okay, we just try to equalize these. Okay, then this becomes 2T equals to 8R. 咁其實即咩意思啊？ This gives us that 2T equals to 1W for country A. Okay, for country A. Now, therefore, you will see 計埋 B 先啦，不如好嘛 ？B 又好快脆啦，係嘛？1T equals to 5R. 1W equals to 20. I'm so sorry. Okay, 20R. So here, very quickly, it gives us times 4. 4T equals to 1W. 好嘛? So here, the OCA, okay, country A, OC of producing one watch is 2T, while 1T is 0.5 watch. 係咪其實做多咗呢個動作啫嘛？一模一樣噶啦。While for country B, OC of one watch is here, 4T, or the opposite, 1T equals to 0.25 watch. OK， 好嘛？跟住之後啦，嗰啲 gains of trade 我唔再計啦，好嘛 ？You will see, right? So what should happen? This should happen, right? 係咪啊 ？So mutually beneficial terms of trade, 1W between 2T and 4T, or 係咪啊 ？0.25 watch and 0.5 watch， 要佢中間啦，要佢中間啦啊！唔再計啦，唔再計啦，好嘛？嗱 ，instead let's use some actual past paper to look at these examples。OK， 多唔多先睇下今次多唔多先？一二三四4版啫，唔係好多。So we should be done with this video relatively quickly。OK， 好嘛？好啦，跟住之後咧，你見到啦 ，answer these two questions by referring to the table. OK, by referring to the table. Here it shows the amount in resources. OK, in resources. OK， 唔知咩意思啊？然後佢話啦，呢度啦，here， 我哋做啲 conversion 啦，好嘛 ？Here for country A, you will see 1x equals to 1r. OK, 1y equals to 2r。但係今次題目係問咩啊？ With 1 unit of resources. So here, this time we change this 1r equals to 0.5 y. Okay, 好嘛? So you see, country A can produce either 1 unit of x or 0.5, 1 divided by 2 units of y. 好啦 B 係點咧？係嘛 ？Here, 1x equals to 3r. 1y equals to 4r， 但係啦，同樣道理啦，佢問一個 r 嘛 ，so here 1 1 3 1 1 4，OK， 1 3 1 4，OK，so the answer will be A。OK 係咪？其實你見啦 ，we do a little bit of conversion and then things will be very smooth， 其實咁解啫，好嘛 ？So both country will gain if the trade is 1x equal 啊，咁於是我哋要計啦，我哋要計啦 ，1x has to be between some y， 我哋望望啦 ，country A 1x equals to 0.5 y， While for country B, for country B， 嗱呢度我哋計到啦，係咪啊 ？1/3 of x equals to 1/4 of y。好啦，咁乘揾12啦，係咪啊 ？So here 1x 0.75 y。So it has to be between 0.5 y and 0.75 y. So which one is between? Yes, only B。得 B 係中間啫，得 B 係中間啫，好嘛 ？OK， so B 呢度啦，有兩條啦。So here you are given this table, right？係嘛？第一條問啲咩啊 ？Absolute advantage in producing both goods。好啦，嗱咁要小心啲啊。This is the resources required. Okay, so let's see. What is absolute advantage? Absolute advantage is you can produce the same amount of goods with fewer resources. 所以其實中晒喎。A 應該兩個都用少啲 resources 喎，係嘛 ？Country A has absolute advantage in producing both goods， 啱嘅 ，OK， 咁即係嫌啱啦，係嘛 ？Then what about comparative advantage？OK， 咪照計咯，係嘛 ？So here， 咦唔係呢條好似做過啦，是但啦，係嘛？唔緊要，我哋嚟多次啊。Country A 1T equals to 1R。Here 1 watch equals to 3R。So to match them, this one times 3. 3T equals to 1 watch. 好啦，同樣道理啦。For country B, 1T equals to 2R. 1W equals to 4R. Now, which means 1T equals to 2 watch. 或者倒轉啦，好嘛？呢度倒轉啦，應該點啊 ？1 watch 啊，唔係喎，倒轉，即係我倒轉咗 ，sorry 啊。1 watch equals to 2T. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that B should have comparative advantage in making watch. 應該做 watch 喎。B enjoys comparative advantage in watch 1 and 4，係咪？1 and 4係呢條做過，肯定做過。OK， 好嘛？好啦，嗱 ，according to the principle of comparative advantage， 咁即係咩意思啊 ？Country A will export。頭先我哋講啦 ，B 係做export focus on watch 啊嘛，係咪 ？They will specialize in making and exporting watch。好啦，既然佢係 watch，咁即係 country A 會點啊 ？Country A should produce toys 係咪啊 ？Will export toy，OK，and import watch。好啦 and a mutually beneficial terms of trade can be 1T， 我哋 1T， 哎呀倒轉咗嚟計呢唔先，係嘛？呢度啦，睇下啦 1T between 嗱呢個幾多啊？0.33 watch and here 0.5 watch， so should be between 0.33 and 0.5， 咁即係得0.4啦，應該係啦，冇錯。So answer A here，OK， answer A here。OK， 係咪拖啊？有冇錯先 ？Country B comparative watch 係啦，咁即係 Country B 係 export watch，Country A export toys。Yes, correct。OK， 好嘛 ？Then here the table below shows the amount of labour， 即係又係 R 啦，好嘛？咁啊照計啦。誒唔係喎 ，absolute advantage 啫喎，係咪啊 ？Has absolute watch， 我哋就係睇 watch 啊。Absolute advantage in watch should be country X。啊呢條好似都做過係咪啊？冇理啦，做多次啦，好嘛？ Here and let's see which one has watch. 我哋望望啦。Then for country X, 1 watch equals to 2R. 1 orange equals to 2R. So 1 dot equals to 1 O. ORA 啊嘛，我上次寫係啦。Yes, we definitely have done this. While for country Y 係咪啊？1 watch equals to 4R. While 8R equals to 1 orange. Okay, so here 2 dot equals to 1 orange. Okay， 但係我哋要咩？我哋係要 watch 啊嘛。So here 1 watch 0.5 orange. So you will see actually country Y has comparative advantage in making watches because they give up less orange. Okay, so here Y 係咪應該 X 同 Y 啦？係咪 X and Y？OK， 好嘛，嗱頂 DSE question here， given this table， 哇有啲煩啊呢個係咪啊？啱啦，我拆開兩版先，有啲煩啊，係嘛 trade is mutually beneficial when 1x。咁我哋要計，即係我哋其實而家要計1x 喺度，係嘛 ？We need to calculate the opportunity cost of 1x。OK， for country A 又嚟啦，係咪啊？1x equals to 10R and then 1y equals to 25R。So here，呢度咧係嘛？2.5x equals to 1y。1x equals to 0.4y。好啦 for country B， 1x equals to 5R，15R 係咪 1y？ 好啦，咁即係咩意思啊 ？3x equals to 1y，1x equals to 0.33y。OK， now it needs to be between 0.33 and 0.4， 咁即係0.35啦，應該係我估下，係咪 1x equals to 0 yes exactly 0.35y 冇錯啦，係咪0.35啦 ？OK 好嘛 ，so answer will be A。好嘛 ，then what about next one 66%？ 嗱，你見係咪啊？呢類題目咧，全部都係過50㗎，係咪？唔差嘅，係咪？66%。OK here。No transaction cost 嗱，呢個好緊要㗎 because in the next video when we do more advanced questions right there would be more there would be transaction costs OK 好嘛 transaction cost OK 好嘛好 assume the labor input OK requirement for is this one OK now so that trade is mutually beneficial OK 1C 對幾多好啦咁我哋要計啦 for here Japan you see 1C equals to 2R while here 1t equals to 6r. So Japan 1c equals to 0.33t. While for Hong Kong 1c equals to 4r. While here 1t equals to 8r. So here 1c equals to 0.5t. It has to be between 0.33 and 0. 寫出嚟啦，費事啲人弄唔到啊。1c between 0.33 t 0.5 t OK 好嘛 so only one between exactly right will be A 嘅答案啦 OK 好嘛66% so a lot of them knows how to do it OK 好啦跟住下一個啦 both country A and country B produce only toys and computer OK input required 好啦先睇啦Country A has absolute advantage in production of computer 係咪？唔係喎，係咪？ They need to use more resources. So no, this is not absolute. OK，呢個唔啱喎，係咪 ？This is not correct. 好啦，等 B has no 冇理由 no comparative advantage. No, impossible, right？係嘛 ？Impossible. 幾時會 no comparative advantage 啊 ？When the opportunity cost of both countries are exactly the same. 但係好明顯唔係啦。好明顯呢度唔係 exactly the same 啦，唔係我差咗個5字寫翻個5字先，係嘛 ？OK， definitely not exactly the same，係嘛？好啦，跟住啦 ，if a transportation cost，OK，if a transportation cost，OK，係咪呢個？呢個你唔識住，呢個我哋下次嗰條片再講，我哋 skip 咗呢個去先。D 啦 ，it is impossible to have mutually beneficial trade as the two countries have equal productivity in producing toys。我哋係咪講 productivity 啊 ？No。Main point is not productivity. We different OC then already can trade. Okay, so answer will be C 係嘛？但係下次先講，好嘛 ？Okay, then one more page and then we are done. One more page and then we are done. 好嚟啦噃。Now here, country A requires 哇呢個其實考啲英文係嘛？2 working hour to produce cert， 即係咩意思啊？其實呢度啦。country A, country B, 1 cert equals to 2R. Country B, 1 cert equals to 1R. Country A requires 10 working hour. 10R equals to 1 watch. 4 hour equals to 1 watch. 其實咁解啫嘛，係嘛？佢寫到好似好深咁，係咪啊？好啦。Calculate the opportunity cost of producing 1 unit of search. Okay, 係嘛 ？So here, 1 search for country A 嗱呢度啦，我哋變翻10 10R 5S。 So you see 5S equals to 1W. Now it is calculating 1S, opportunity cost of 1S. So here, simply 1 divided by 5 equals to 0.2 units of watch. While for country B 一樣啦，呢度啦，變成 4R、4S 啦 4R、4S. So, but we need to calculate 1/3. 所以呢個除4啦，每邊都係嘛會 be 1 divided by 4, 0.25 watch. Okay, just like that. 跟住啦 state the principle of comparative advantage. 呢個 COPY 啦，好嘛 COPY 係嘛 According to this principle, which country would export cert 邊一個啊？應該係 A 喎，係嘛 Because you see, A will export because lower OC 係嘛 in making cert 係咪佢平啲喎？而家佢平啲喎，係嘛 ？OK 好啦，等 C find the range of types of trade mutually beneficial。我哋望即係呢度中間咯。One 你睇先 ，one S 我揾唔到個字嚟㗎。One the mutually beneficial types of trade needs to be between 0.2 W、0.25 W， 要佢中間咯，要佢中間咯，係咪啊 ？Then what about the last question for this video？ 嚟咯喎 ，use all resources， 咁即係唔知道 absolute 啦 ，we don't know absolute，OK？ 即係望望啦，係嘛 ？The amount 啊唔係喎 ，sorry，唔係喎 ，I suck。Actually this time country A is twice of that，OK？ 係嘛？Country A 係 twice of that 啊，so here country A actually 嗱我哋咁啊，不如呢個叫做 2R one R。嗱，小心啲啊，逼你啊，好嘛？嗱 ，suppose both country A and country B use all their resources in production, their maximum output is shown in the table below. OK， 好啦，原來會發生呢件咁嘅事啦。OK， 好嘛？嗱 here， 咦，哎呀 ，transportation cost 喎，我一陣先講點計 transportation cost。Let's calculate the very first step first. OK， 好嘛？呢度啦，你見到啦。For country A, here you will see。佢攞 2R 係咪佢攞2R？ 哦，唔重要喎，呢個 twice OK, now why the twice of them is not important? Because this question did not ask for absolute advantage. Did not ask for absolute advantage. OK, 好嘛 Did not ask for. If they ask for absolute advantage, then 2R and 1R would be very important. OK, but this time they do not ask for this. OK, so here 8 is simply, okay, 800 computer equals to 500 rise. 咦，阿 Max 應該放錯咗喎，呢條應該 type A 嚟嘅喎，係咪？呢條唔應該 type 1 question 嚟嘅喎。So here 1C equals to 0.675 R or 1 R equals to 哇，sorry 啊，突然間咦，突然間計唔到添，等我陣啊，1.6係咪啊？等陣先，800除500 ，yes 1.6。1.6C. Okay, come on. While for country B, it is simply 400C equals to 300R. So here, 1C equals to 3除4 0.75 R or 1R equals to 1.33C. Okay, simply like this. Okay, so for here, okay, normally the mutually beneficial terms of trade, okay, should be 1R between 1.33C, 1.6C, 係咪？正常嚟講應該係咁嘅，正常嚟講應該係咁嘅。But here, the computer importing country, okay, now first of all, who's importing country? 我哋睇睇先啊。B, they will be exporting R. So here, they will be importing computer. 因為佢 export 個 rise 啊嘛，所以佢應該 import computer 喎，係咪？佢應該 import computer 喎。OK， 好嘛？Has to pay a transportation cost of 0.05 unit of rise. Okay, now we will talk about that in detail in next video. But for now,嗱，首先咧，我哋唔對 unit 係見唔見啊 ？Here it is measured in rise, but here we have a computer, so we need to do a little bit of conversion. 應該倒轉啦，我哋應該攞第二個方法寫喎。It's actually 1C between 0.675 R and 0.75 R， 要0.675至到0.7中間，係咪？ The times of trade needs to be in between。好啦，但係重點啦。The computer importing country, which is country B, which is this part, okay, 0.75, okay, 係咪 has to pay a transportation cost， 佢係要俾呢個 cost 喎 ，OK boss， 嗱原來咁啊，永遠咧terms of trade， whenever there is a cost, you can only narrow the range。好啦，咁而家啦喺呢邊啊嘛，我哋0.75啊，係佢俾啊嘛。Narrow the range 咁即係加定減啊？如果加咗係咪應該闊咗 ？So no, it should be here minus 0.05 R. So the actual range 0.675 R between 0.7 R. OK， 好啦，嗱呢個下次我哋會再講嘅，係嘛 ？We'll talk about that in the next video. But why？ 點解呢個減0.05 R 啊 ？Think about it, right? Think about it. They are importing computer， 佢 import 啊嘛，So let's say right now, their own cost is 0.75， 係嘛？佢自己嘅 cost 啊嘛。嗱，我哋頭先話啦，一定要細過佢，係嘛？一定要細過佢，係嘛？一定要細過佢，係嘛 ？But then let's say if they are 我哋不如做個例子啊。Let's say right now the times of trade 1C equals to 0.74 R。好啦 ，if this is the case, what is their gain? Their gain 佢本身會賺幾多啊？咪0.75 R 減0.74 R 咯 ，will be 0.01 R, right? But then if they need to pay a transportation cost of 0.05， 咁發生咩事啊？You need to minus 0.05 R。嗱 ，do you see the gain immediately becomes negative？ 咦，咁賺唔到喎，咁佢唔會做 trade 㗎。OK， 嗱 that's why any cost would narrow the terms of trade。OK， 令到個 terms of trade 細咗㗎，係嘛？細咗㗎。OK， 好嘛 ？So again， more detail on the next video when we talk about more advanced level, which we say transaction cost is involved. Okay, and you see, I will say narrowing the possible terms of trade range. Okay, 好嘛 ？So let's end this video here. Bye bye.